Hello, good day, all my dear friends. I'm Oliver from Oliver Hobby. Here, I bring you this tatra from Capo. It is 1 to 18 scale, CUB3, and with forward blade with upgraded forward LED. So this one, it is all CNC alloy blade frame, bucket, this plate, cabin, and even this mud guard. This one is plastic, others are all CNC alloy. That's all CNC alloy. Even the CVD drive shaft protecting tube, all CNC alloy. Inside the CVD drive shaft, there are steel bar and with steel gears in each axle. And the drive shaft axle, they are steel inside. So it's with all metal small servo for steering, one servo for forward axle, one servo for second axle, and one servo for forward two axle differential lock, and one servo for rear two axle differential lock, and one servo for middle transfer case. Shifting speed is from here. Will be high speed, neutral position, and low speed, shifting from transfer case. So not near the drive motor, no, not that gearbox, shifting speed from transfer case. So this side is decoration box, CNC alloy one, and inside we put a 3S battery. Let's see, it's with GST connection. Put it back and cover it. So all the alloy hubs, and here have a spare tire. On top, this decorating chimney is with a copper pipe. All this one CNC alloy, only this one shiny one is steel. So right side we have this toolbox. Push up will be unlocking. That's the sliding for lock. Inside we have the receiver, light board. So only a line, then slide down to lock it. Lock. So only this black mud guard. Yeah, it's plastic. Other for forward cabin, that's CNC alloy. In all the frame, plate, auxiliary girder, they all CNC alloy. So let's unlock, then lift up, easier to see. This bar pushing up will be unlocked. Unlock, that's the hook. And here we got this decorating simulation of real engine. It's a plastic one. Inside that's the drive motor. So here we have the, let's see, under there. So inside the decoration, the black part, cabin decoration, it's plastic. All these frames CNC alloy. That's the all metal servo for steering, for differential lock, and also for the shifting gear. So this with holes, black part, that's the air suspension distribution block. So later we will see where is the air pump. So each suspension we can see from here, that's the airbag on the axle. Now it's already rising. So it's coming air from rear, the pump, then distribute from this block to left and right airbag. So under the plate here, that's the sound system and the smoking system assembled here. And in this position, you can see there is another distribution block for air suspension bag. And coming to the bottom to see here, that would be air pump inside this metal box. That's the air pump and the distribution to each axle for the airbag. So now, if I turn it to rear side, you will see the airbag. That's with pressure, with air pressure, yeah. So each axle independent rolling up and down, left and right, yeah. Sitting with pressure, with loading, that's how it's reacting. Put my hand here. The right side here have alloy ladder, can pull down, resin secure it. And each left and right cabin door can be unlocked open. Then you can see inside decoration, the plastic seat and the panel. And the window can slide to open, close. This is the left side. Slide open cabin window, open the cabin door. On the panel, it's only this white LED showing, so light up the panel. Let's see the function. So LED circulating, turning on. Also the turning lights on top and the side. Turning left, 2 axle turning, 1 axle turning, 1 axle turning. So 2 servo for steering, so we can control together or separately. And the right side turning LED. And the rear side LED. Check from here, turning, left, right. Sorry, this one I pushed it just when I lifted it. So forward and brake. Sorry. Reverse. And now the dozer blade is controlled by screwdriver. Drop it. So the screw, that's the shining cylinder, and pushing this bar, sliding on this connecting bar, sliding, pushing it down and up. Keep pushing down, rising, and for off-road it can rise in very tall, yeah, for better passing ability. On top, automatic stop. And let's see the differential. So now front 2 axle, 1 differential servo, rear 2 axle, 1 differential servo. Now all at differential. So lock the forward 2 axle. Now it's locked. Forward, it is locked. And lock the rear 2 axle. Rear will be all turning. You can see it's turning, sliding on the table. All turning, yeah. And unlock forward axle. Unlock rear 2 axle. Now all at a differential. Now it is low speed, so SWB, pushing middle will be neutral position. It's shifting from here. That's 1 servo for pulling the bar on the transfer case. I will turn it around so you can see more clearly. Yeah, better at this angle, let's first see this one for the differential lock. That's forward. Lock, unlock, lock, unlock. And the rear axle, so it's with a connecting bar, yeah? So the bar from here and from here connecting, pushing both position gear to be engaged and disengaged for differential and differential lock, yeah? So rear side is also the bar. For the 2 axle, the bar is from servo here until the rear axle. So lock it, check how it's moving. Lock, unlock. Turning the other side, we will see the shifting gear in the middle transfer case. Turn around. So from this side, that's the servo for shifting gear. Now it is at a neutral position. That's the CVT drive shaft from a gearbox here. You will see it, the motor and the CVT drive shaft coming transfer case, drive, low speed, pulling back, low speed, middle, neutral, pushing forward, high speed, middle, neutral, back, low speed. Now the air suspension already raised, so you can see with the suspension effect. So if I lose the pressure, open the valve open, all the air, it will be compressed out. Now it's sitting there, no suspension, it's tough. So I turn in the valve to charging position, then start the pump. For charging, rear side rising. But now if I charging forward side, it's too heavy, so the air pressure not enough to rising all the way for forward to axle because the gears, the motor, and cabin decoration all here are very heavy. So the best way is first pushing down the forward to the blade, rising a little bit the chassis. Then we can charging the forward to axle, so airbag. Now it's raised, so now charging the pump, air pump. Yeah, turning one direction is for charging rear to axle and rising the airbag. Turning another direction is another channel, rising the forward airbag. Now forward airbag is charged. Then close the air channel, so the air pressure we are keeping in the airbag. Then we rising the door blade. Now you can see that's the airbag effect. And rising one axle, you can see like this. And rear side. Drive it. Start the horn and engine sound. Start engine sound. Also the smoking started. You can see the air fan is turning. Smoking already coming out. Can rising the sound system is our customized sound and smoking. Yeah? So increase sound. Drive. Slowly. Put to neutral position. Let's hear the engine rolling. Put to high speed. Let's ride. Shifting back to low. Slowly push, slow drive. And now we will see the radio settings for control this one. So horn, sound reduced, fully push, switch off the engine sound. So for the settings, first after receive, radio first power on with putting battery at the back side. Then you could put this side will turn around. So here all this first connecting battery. Yeah, then we have power switch turn around at the rear side. At the rear side is the power switch. Here, push left, power on. Then you have the operation. So go to radio, we will see the settings. Click manual. Click general manual. Go to monitor, you will see that each channel which one is moving. So one is for turning LED, channel 1. Channel 4 is for first axle steering. Here we don't see the function, so if we go to the AUX channel, it's start from channel 5. But here, from monitor, channel 1 controlled by right stick, turning light. And channel 4 controlled by left stick, first axle steering, and mix control channel 1 for turning light. Channel 2, that's horn and engine sound. After start, engine sound, smoking also start. Half turning to forward, reduce volume. Half turning down, increase volume. Channel 3 for drive, left stick. Channel 4, first axle steering. And let's go to channel 5. Channel 5, SWA LED, circulating, opening, and off. Channel 6, SWB, middle transfer case, shifting gear. Back side, SWB back, low speed. SWB middle will be neutral position. SWB forward, high speed. Let's shifting back to neutral. Channel 7, SWC, forward to axle differential lock. Forward at differential. SWC back will be forward to axle differential lock. SWC back, forward axle differential lock. Yeah. Start low speed drive. Forward locked. And channel 8, SWD, rear to axle differential lock by SWD, forward at differential, back differential lock. Now rear at differential, forward unlock it. Rear lock, SWD, lock it. Lock. Now it is locked. Unlock. Channel 9, VRA, that's controlling second steering axle. Channel 9 VRA, that's for the, this is VRC. VRA, that's for the valve opening for charging air suspension. So if you middle is closed, if you turn it to right side, it's for release air pressure, drop the air suspension back. If you turn it to left side, opening the valve for charging. Turning the VRB, that's the air pump. Turning to left, charging forward to axle. Turning to right, charging rear side to axle airbag. And pump, turning VRB to middle, pump off. Yeah, so VRA channel 9, turning to left for charging airbag suspension. Turning to middle, valve closed. Turning to right, you will see pressure release, open valve pressure release. Back middle, valve closed. So channel 9 VRA for valve, 8 now go to 10. Channel 10 VRB for the pump. Now 9 VRA turning left, open valve for charging air. When you turning VRB, start the pump to left, charging forward to axle. Forward rising. When you turning to right, charging rear to axle. Rising and off. Then VRA back to middle, valve closed. Channel 11, that's VRC for the second axle steering. Channel 12, VRD, that's for dozer blade, screw control. And we also have the mix control. Go back, we slide into mix. Mix number 1, it is on, so 3 mix is on. Mix number 1, so channel 1 to channel 4, that's for the, check it out. So you see it's moving together, channel 1 and channel 4, and the normal 100%. Net reverse also 100%. So master is channel 1, turning LED. Slave is channel 4, the first axle steering. But second is another mix. Turning LED and first axle turning. Mix number 2. So on channel 1 and channel 11 mix control. Channel 1 steering LED. And channel 11 second axle steering. So two axle steering and the LED by two mix. This side is negative 100% and negative 100%. And mix number 3 on channel 4 to channel 1. So that's first axle mix control the turning LED. First axle turning and LED on. It's 100% and 100%. So that's all 3 mixed. That's all the settings. We start the engine on, increase the volume, then drive around at low speed at differential. So one axle steering, two axle steering, it is at a differential, not easy climbing. Differential lock, two axle lock, forward two, rear two, all locked. Then let's go climbing. Slowly. So just as now, as you see, when climbing, is the speed for increasing because of the obstacle. Yeah, when rising, speed rising quickly, and when dropping, suddenly dropping, means now it is assembled with a brush motor and a brush ESC. That's for controlling the speed and the torque, not smooth for climbing. That's what is assembled 50T brush motor. So the climbing effect not so good. If you like to upgrade, so now we are suggesting we will later test on this one for better one. So it's a Hobby Wing Quick Run 5000 kV 2030. That's the brushless Quick Run drive motor. Then to give it a good EIC, that's Quick Run 16 BL30. So with this one and with the dragging power, with the smooth increasing speed, so it can climb in smoothly and slowly drop from the slope. Thank you for watching. I will bring you more models. See you.